Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by enabling the old phone's Google backup and confirming the exact Google account used. This ensures you restore the correct data. Once done, connect both phones to the same reliable Wi-Fi network and attach chargers so nothing interrupts. Make sure Bluetooth is on. Pair devices if prompted. Now open the new phone's setup or Google Drive backup settings and choose to restore from a device or cloud backup. The process will list available backups from your account. Next, pick the right backup timestamp. This defines which apps, settings, and files come over, so choose the most recent complete backup. You can customize. Select apps, SMS, contacts, photos, and device settings individually. That reduces unnecessary restores. While apps download, keep the phone awake and on Wi-Fi to avoid stalled downloads. Background media like Google Photos may sync separately. Therefore, open Photos and confirm backed-up items are visible, so you know nothing critical was skipped. To finish, sign into your Google account and then each restored app to reauthorize access. That lets app data reconnect properly. Make sure device settings like Wi-Fi and screen preferences match your expectations. Adjust where needed. If something failed, try clearing Google Play Store and backup cache, reboot, and resume restore. Alternatively, reassign backup permissions in settings. Finally, confirm contacts, messages, and photos are present. If not, trigger a manual sync or restore the same backup to recover missing items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.